Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my dear viewers. Today we will learn the first chapter of Qaida. This chapter name is huroof mufradat. Huroof mufradat mean individual Arabic letters. So, first of all, from the first letter we began. This is Alif, 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 ba, 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 ta, ta, tha, tha, jim. This is a lengthening letter. Jim. Ha, ha, kha. This is a heavy letter. Kha, kha. Then dal, 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 ra, ra. Then za, za, sin, sin, shin, shin, صاد, صاد, ضاد, ضاد, طا, طا, ضا, ضا, عين, عين, غين, غين, فا, فا, قاف, heavy letter. قاف, كاف. The second one is كاف, كاف, لام, لام, ميم, ميم, نون, noon. Round your lips in the pronunciation of noon. Noon. Wow. This is a lengthening letter, and round your lips in the pronunciation of wow. Wow. Ha. Ha. It releases from the chest side, from the lower throat, near to chest. Ha, hamza, hamza. This is also hamza. Ya, ya. So, my dear viewers, if you want to learn Quran with correct and proper recitation, so subscribe my channel, Online Quran Tutor. This is a charity with me and with viewers and with your childs. Subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn Quran with proper tajweed, so we also offer online Quran classes. Contact us on the number given below. Thank you. And one thing which is my request from you, I have to know my viewers from where they are watching, from where you are watching my video. So you must have to drop a comment to tell me from where are you. Thank you.